Parang napakahirap sa report.
Sorry, magkano ba siya character?
Kuring! Kuring na dapat ay ko.
Kuring ka. Kapalo ugali.
Chlorine!
Wala ko kakaroon ka daw. Kakasal.
Dahil malabo na. Yan.
Dahil lapit mo pa.
Start daw.
Sino ba sa marriage?
Ako.
Yung talan!
Our report is about marriage and family. So first, we have to discuss the definition of marriage. So marriage is an interpersonal relationship, usually intimate and sexual, with governmental, social, or religious recognition. So, then there are several forms of marriage, and the most common one is the marriage wherein one man and one woman unites to
Intercourse.
unites unites as husband and wife, and the other forms of marriage are the polygamy and even the same-sex marriage. So polygamy, it is defined as a marriage wherein a person takes more than one spouse or marriage partner. While in some jurisdictions, civil marriage has been expanded to include the same-sex marriage. Sir, pwede. Sir, pwede.
Yeah.
Then,
You can do it.
okay, so people marry for several reasons. So why people marry? So the several reasons includes the following. First, the legal, social, and even the economic stability, the formation of a family unit, the public declaration of love, and for the others only to obtain citizenship, and for the procreation, education, and nurturing of children.
And most people, companionship, that is the very first one.
And ano pa po pala, for legitimizing sexual relations, to avoid the premarital sex, 'di ba? Kasi yun. Then, okay, so a marriage is very often and legally performed through a wedding ceremony, and it is performed by it can be performed by a religious officiator, usually syempre a priest. Then, oy, quiet. Sir, quiet nga. Kasi
Yan ang effect pag nag-iingay ang estudyante. Sige.
yes. It can also be performed by a trusted friend of the wedding participants whenever there's no church or state affiliation in the country. Then it can be also performed by a secular government religious official. So when you married, it includes and it creates obligations of both the individuals involved in the relationship and even for many for the next generations because of the extended family. Yeah.
Malapit na
Kasi
mag-bye.
di ba, mani-maniwala? Meron may masasabi ka, wala na, isa lang nag-report.
Wala lang, natatat ka naman, sir.
Mga tatapat.
Mahaba pa to, sir.
Anong oras na ba?
Kasi sir, ito yung research namin.
Ilang page?
Arranged marriage or pragmatic marriage. Marriage is made easier by formal procedures of family or group politics. In arranged marriage, a responsible authority or figure made or decided that a couple may engage. This authority This authority figure can be parents, family, a religious official, or a group consensus. In some cases, the authority figure choose a match for purposes other than marital harmony. Some of these purposes is for dowry or immigration. Arranged marriage in countries such as India are still prevalent. But in rural villages, the marriages of child often has much to do with family property. Parents adopt the practice of child marriage and they arrange the wedding, sometimes even before the child is born. But in Indian government, there is a law, child marriage restraint of through this practice, it made illegal by this law. European monogamy. Monogamy refers to a marriage between two persons. In European culture and culture of Americas, define themselves as monogamous culture. However, Roman law permitted prostitution, concubinage, and sexual access to slaves. But in Christian West, formally banned these practices with laws against adultery, fornication, and other relationships outside a monogamous lifelong covenant. Polygamy or polygamous marriage. Polygamy means having more than one spouse. Polygamous marriage, in which a person takes more than one spouse, is accepted in a majority